In this question, there is a one right angle triangle, and inside this right angle triangle, two square is inscribed in a such a way that the bigger square area is given 36 unit square and the smaller square area is given 16 unit square. Then we need to find the area of this right angle triangle. So for this we can write here, for this bigger square, that is area of big square is equal to what? Side square. We can write, and area of big square is given 36 is equal to side square. So we can say that side will be equal to square root of 36, that means 6 unit. So this means we can say that this area will be length will be 6. Okay, this length will also be what? 6 unit. Okay, this length will also be a what? 6 unit. We can say this length also be what? 6 unit. Okay, same we can say that area of a small square will be, area of this small square is equal to side square. That means we can say that area is the what? 16. So we can say that 16 is equal to side square. So this means side will be square root of 16, that is 4 unit. So this length will be also what? 4 unit. Okay, this length will also be what? 4 unit. And this length will also be what? 4 unit. We can say that. Now here is the problem that I am going to apply here logic for this problem. So watch this video completely, and if you like, please share and subscribe my channel. So for this, what I will do here, if I will consider this angle as a theta, so by corresponding angles we can say that also this is what? Theta. So for this I am talking about this smaller triangle, right angle triangle actually. Okay, I am talking about this right angle triangle is small. So for this we can write here, this length will be what? This length will be 2 unit. We can say that because whole length is the side length of bigger square, that is 6 unit. So 2 plus 4 will only 6 unit. Okay, so this will be what? 2 unit. Now as I have considered this is theta, so by using we can write trigonometry, tan theta is equal to perpendicular, that is this length 2 we can write, and base, that is 4, means 1 by 2. So we can say that tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 for this smaller right angle triangle. Okay, now for this one, this right angle triangle I am talking about now, this one. Okay, so for this right angle triangle, this will be also a what? Angle theta by corresponding angles. We can say if I will consider this length as a x unit. Okay, so we can write here also what? Tan theta is equal to, for this right angle triangle I am talking about, that is perpendicular x and base is what? 6 unit. Okay, so we can say that x is equal to 6 into tan theta, and we have already calculated tan theta, so we can write 6 into 1 by 2, that means 3. So we can say that x is equal to 3 unit. So this x will be equal to what? 3. Why tan theta is here also equal? Because this is angle, it is a slope here, and we know slope is equal to rise by run, which is equal to tan theta. Okay, this will remain same. Now here x is 3, so total length will be what here for this height of bigger right angle triangle? 6 plus 3, that is 9 unit. Okay, we can say that. Now if we will consider base of this bigger right angle triangle is whole as a, let's suppose BC, and this is a. So we can write here tan theta in right angle triangle ABC, we can write tan theta is equal to AB upon BC, we can write. Okay, then after we know tan theta just calculated here, so 1 by 2 we can write here, and AB is what here, 9 units, so we can write 9, and BC we don't know, so we can write BC same. Okay, this implies we can write BC is equal to 9 into 2, that means 18 unit. We can write, as we have to find the area of this right angle triangle, so we can write area of right angle triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height, so base is BC and height is AB, so 1 by 2, BC length is what, 18, just we have calculated, and AB length is 9 unit. This will cancel in 9, so we can say that 9 into 9, 81, so 81 square unit, or you can say unit square. This will be the right answer for this question. If you really like my video, please share, subscribe and like this channel. Thanks for watching this video.